4, 6, 24 mat, securing the fact that 4 times 6 is 24, and looking at the links between multiplication and division. There are 4 quadrants, and the idea is that you wouldn't do all 4 quadrants in one sitting, but would take one at a time and really dig deeper and explore each one. So the top right-hand quadrant of the mat, called Dissect It, explores how the array can be used to secure a deeper understanding. Exploring an array using known facts makes it more likely that children will use what they know rather than counting from the beginning. If children count in 4s to work out the answer to a multiplication calculation, then they will get faster at counting in 4s if we're not careful. What we want them to do is to start using known facts. The array can really help with this. So when they're asked to do 4 times 6, they could do, as in this top image here, 4, add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4, 6 lots of 4. So we're counting up 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 to calculate 4 multiplied by 6. But ideally we want children to stop and think, what do I already know? Can I use a known fact to help me calculate 4 times 6? Using an array, such as this one here, and exploring folding it in different ways can really secure this. So for example, here I've got 4 counters 6 times. So I could fold it here. Now we can see 4 times 3, which is 12. The other side will be 4 times 3, which is 12. So altogether, I've got 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3, 12 plus 12 equals 24. We can fold this array in different places to calculate 4 multiplied by 6 in a variety of ways. Having explored this with an array and actually physically folding it in different ways, we can then move to recording what we found out on the mat here. So this one here we just looked at. So I've got 3 by 4 gives me 12 here. So 4 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 3 gives me another 12 here. So 12 add 12 equals 24. So we're encouraging children to use the known fact of 4 multiplied by 3 and doubling it to get us to 4 times 6 equals 24. We can also think of 4 times 6 as being partitioned in a different place. So here's my 4 by 6 array. If I fold it here, I've got 4 multiplied by 4 giving me 16. 2 groups of 4 giving me 8. So when I put 8 and 16 together, I get 24. So we can record that here. 4 times 4 gives me 16. 4 times 2 gives me 8. 16 add 8 equals 24. We also need to think of 4 times 6 as being one group of 4 more than 4 times 5. So here we go, 4 5s are 20. One more group of 4 is 4. So 20 and 4 is 24.